Today we are standing in front of a 2015 Fleetwood manufactured home. It's a very nice, well-maintained home. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 24 feet by 52 feet long. And we are in a community, all ages community, Royal Palms, which is also a very well-maintained community, has a swimming pool down that way. And look at the neighboring homes. They're all very well maintained. It's sitting next to a corner lot. Over here is a laundry facility, which this home does have a utility room for washer and dryer. Up front, it has great curb appeal. They have a masonry skirting with a 3-foot wrap. Then they have 2 eyebrows with columns. Gives it nice architecture appeal with columns. And then there's also the lap hardy board Cemplank siding. And I'm gonna take you over around to the back of this home before we go inside. You're gonna wanna make sure you stick it out through the entire video. This is a beautiful home, has a great master bathroom. And we premiere new tours on a weekly basis, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. And take you over the back. You can see that it's very well maintained. The neighbors behind you have a well-maintained yard. This home does come with the air conditioning. If you want to know what the price is, you're going to have to stick it out till the end. I will be telling you what the price is. This is a great asking price. Most likely we will be getting a full price offer. Oh, I almost forgot. Make sure that you leave your comments in the comment section below. We love hearing your thoughts. Also, smash that like button. It helps our channel out. We are here for you to help you make a more informed decision when purchasing a new or pre-owned manufactured or mobile home. All right, we're getting ready to go inside here. It's a nice open floor plan. And what I really like is how the dining room opens up to the living room. I'm a big, huge fan of these open floor plans. Tell us what you think. And also this nice breakfast bar. You have room for 2 benches over here, stools. And then you have more room right there for another 1 or 2. So if you have kids, kids love eating at the breakfast bar. And these countertops are very nice. They are laminate countertops with, look at that 6-inch backsplash tile. Adds a lot of character. Nice hardwood cabinets. Oh, they also have a shelf over here, which is nice. Adds some more storage space. Whirlpool appliances, white appliances. A ceramic sink, white ceramic sink. Usually you see stainless steel, so that's nice. And over here, here's the utility room, side-by-side washer and dryer. Overhead cabinets. I'm going to take you through the guest bedrooms first. You're going to see the master bathroom last. So let's check this out. We got the guest bathroom. Let's go in here first. All right. So nice. They have a full-size bed over there with a desk to give you an idea of the size of this room. You can easily put a queen or king size bed in here and still have room for a nightstand and a dresser. Here's where they have their TV. Everybody's got a TV in every room these days. They have this set up as an office, but of course it's a similar size bedroom to the bedroom we just went in. It might be a little bit smaller. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, did I show this? I did not. Here is the guest bathroom. They have it decorated nicely. I love those beach colors. All right, saving the best room for last. Nice and big. Very large room. It's very nice. You can even, right here, if you wanted, you could put a little love seat or a chair for a reading area. Let's get all angles here for you so you could see how large this bedroom really is. Oh, let me get that. Look, comes with the ceiling fan, so that's nice. Don't have to run the AC all the time in. What do you guys think of this master bathroom? It's got a garden tub, his and her sink. Let me try to get a little better angle for you. There you go. Again, hardwood cabinets. They have that cherry brownish colored cabinet. And over here, a poop room. If you guys are new to this channel or if you've seen my videos before, you know I'm big on the poop rooms. You always want to have a separate room for the toilet. And then again, overhead cabinets. So as you can see, this home is not short of cabinet space. It has plenty of cabinet space, great size rooms, and it's a nice home. It has the standard cathedral ceilings, which makes it nice and open. So thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Don't forget to hit that like button. We hope you have a good day.